My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Volvo XC40. This vehicle has done just under 71,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. And on the right, we have voice control. On the first page of our screen, we can access our applications. This includes our download center, driver performance, car status, and Apple and Android CarPlay. On the second page, we have our key features, which include navigation, radio, smartphone integration, and car status. On the final page is our car functions. This includes our park assist, lane keeping aid, and cross traffic alert. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our drive mode button. From here, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes: comfort for everyday use, dynamic for high performance, eco for efficient drive, and off-road for rough road. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.